Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the calculator and entering the equation. Clear unnecessary memory and confirm mode settings to match your problem. This avoids angle and format errors. Next, open the solver or equation application on Ti-84 Plus, that is the numeric solver, or the y equals editor depending on the task. You will input the equation exactly as written, using parentheses for clarity. Once done, assign a reasonable initial guess, or right bounds for root finding, so the calculator can start iterating. Now you execute the solving method. If using the numeric solver, select the variable, paste the equation, and provide an initial guess. The solver iterates until convergence, so a good guess speeds results. If graphing, enter the function in y equals, set a suitable window, and use trace or calc then zero or intersect to find roots. For multiple equations, convert to a matrix or use a system solver app and verify coefficients. Small input errors produce wrong solutions. To finish, verify the solution by substituting it back into the original equation on the calculator or by plotting both sides to confirm equality. This confirms correctness. If the solver fails to converge, try a different initial guess, widen bounds, or increase iteration limits. Also check for common mistakes, mismatched parentheses, wrong signs, or incorrect mode settings like degrees versus radians. If results still look wrong, simplify algebraically and re-enter the simplified form. That often exposes input errors and resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.